In this video, we're going to talk about faces. My name is Kenzo, and this is English from the ground up. So I have drawn 4 different faces, and in this video, we're going to talk about them. And we're going to start with this face. Face number 1. Number 1. So this person is wearing a hat on top of their head. This person is wearing a hat. This person is also wearing glasses. This person is wearing a hat and glasses. This person also has facial hair. This person has a mustache and a beard. This person has facial hair. We can't see if this person has hair on their head because they're wearing a hat, but this person does have facial hair, a mustache, and a beard. So this is face number 1. Number 1. And now let's move on to the next face. So this is face number 2. And this person has a very tall face. This person has a very tall face. It's not short. It's not short, it's tall. They also have a long nose, long ears, and long hair. They have big yellow eyes and lips as well, and long eyelashes. This person is wearing earrings right here and right here on their ears. The first face was drawn in red and orange, and the second face was drawn in yellow and green. Now it's time to move on to face number 3. These faces are getting weirder and weirder. Face number 3. This person has a very square head. They have a very square head. This person has no hair. They're bald. When somebody doesn't have hair, when they don't have hair, that means they're bald. This person is bald. This person is bald. They look pretty happy. They're smiling, and their eyes are wide open. This person has 2 teeth sticking out down here. This is called buck teeth. Buck teeth. When somebody's front 2 teeth are sticking out like this, it's called buck teeth. This person has buck teeth, and they're wearing a shirt, and a tie. A tie. Does this person remind you of anyone? Can you think of who I was inspired by when I drew this face? When I drew this face, I was thinking about SpongeBob. So this person was inspired by SpongeBob. Face number 3 was drawn in pink and brown. Now it's time to move on to number 4. And this is the weirdest face by far. Face number 4. Now, this isn't even a human face. No. This is an alien face. An alien's face. And this alien has big black eyes. This alien has a big smiling mouth. A smiling mouth that has lots of teeth in it. And its teeth look very sharp. Very sharp. It has some kind of shiny crystal right here on its head. And this alien is in space. There are lots of stars in the background. Here, 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 here. Lots of stars. This was the 4th and final face that I drew. So altogether, we have face 1, face 2, face 1, face 2, face 3, and face 4. Tell me in a comment below which face is your favorite. If you liked this video and want to support my channel, you could click the like button or subscribe to my channel by clicking up here. And if you want to continue learning, you could watch my last video by clicking down here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya!